What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Just Joshin. Today we're going to be cooking on the Weber kettle, something I've never cooked before, and I'm excited to try it. I've picked it up locally, of course. That's where I try to get all my beef, is local. This one is from Hunt and Lovering Cattle, and it is a PICANHA. PICANHA, sirloin cap, whatever you prefer to call it. So we're going to give it a try today. This one does have the fat cap already removed, which normally you get them with a pretty thick fat cap. But this one has been removed. That's okay. Still going to be plenty of flavor because there's still plenty of marbling inside this PICANHA. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it up into steaks. And then we're going to cook it over the lump charcoal, the B&B oak, in the slow and sear. And good medium rare. Hopefully get a good crust on there. Seasoning it with only salt because that's traditional with the PICANHA. So I'm going to go ahead and get the fire started. Let's get started. So the steaks have been setting. Salt has melted into the steaks. I cut them about 2 fingers width wide, and I don't know if I mentioned it, I'm going to reverse sear. So I've got them on the cold side of the fire right now. I'm going to bring them up about 115, pull them off, let them rest for just a second while I get the hot side really hot, and then we're going to sear them at the end. They're real thick steaks. All I put on there was coarse kosher salt, and like I said, I let that melt in real good, and they look great. So just gonna keep an eye on everything, and I'll keep you posted here. Alright, so the steaks have hit between 115 and 120. Of course, they're in various sizes. But one thing I forgot to mention is it's kind of going to go against what you've heard, but when you're cutting out your PICANHA steaks, you want to cut with the grain. That way, once you get ready to slice your steaks, you'll be cutting against. So still, when you're ready to eat, you always want to cut against the grain for the most tender bite. But when you're cutting out your PICANHA steaks, cut with the grain. Let's get them off. Got a great color to them. Now I'm going to take those inside while I get the fire going because for some reason it's winter again out here. So I'm going to take them inside, let them rest, cover them, tint them with aluminum foil, not tight, just set the aluminum foil on top, and then go ahead and get this fired up. I'm going to add some more B&B on top of this, but I've already got lit, so we can get as much fire as possible. I pulled out the slow and sear and kind of spread out the fire just a little bit, still kind of mostly on one side. That way I can get hopefully all the steaks on at one time. Need more B&B. The time has come. Let's sear some steaks. Ooh. That was almost bad. Rubber glove in the fire. these big boys on first. Get a look at them. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Let that fire come up and kiss the steak. All right, time has finally come. Steaks have rested. Oh, man. There's juice everywhere. Holy cow. Literally. Not really. This is insane. Let me bring it in here. Let's go with one of these big boys here. We'll cut it in half first to see what we got. Yeah, come on. That's what I'm talking about. Go ahead and try and make slices here. Juice running off the table. Man, that is beefy. Only seasoned with salt now. Tons of flavor. Got a little crust on the outside, tender on the inside, full of beef. That marbling really pays off. I don't know if I could stand myself if it did have a fat cap on it. Wow. Got to catch the juice down here. Picanha, sirloin cap, whatever. Plan it right now. Ribeye is the king of steaks. Picanha is the queen. And you need to have it in your arsenal. Give yourself about at least an hour. That starts from cutting up your picanha steaks, letting it brine in salt for at least 15-20 minutes. Get your fire going, and then reverse searing. Cooking on the cold side to about 115, 120, whatever you prefer, medium rare, meat rare, whatever. Then let them rest. First time, get your fire real hot, sear, let them rest again, and then they'll be ready to serve. So like I said, give yourself a good hour if you want these fresh when everything else comes up. But go ahead and get it planned right now. Not going to be disappointed. And if you're not local, I will post in the description down below, I will put the website to Hunt and Lovern. And I think they ship online now. So they have certain days you order, and then they ship out certain days, and they'll be at your house in a couple days. So, yes, 100%. I'm going to get another one, and I'm going to smoke it whole, reverse sear the whole thing, and then slice it into thin slices. We're going to try that as well, because This is definitely something. And also, I want to do it like they do at the Brazilian steakhouse. Cut up into steaks, and I'm going to get some flat skewers, and you kind of moon shape it and slide on the skewers and just do it directly over the fire. We're doing that as well. We got to. I mean, man, that's good. That is good. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out some more videos I got. Some other steak. I got a ranch steak video and anything beef. Man, I'm for it. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Peace.